one's chapter. Today I will teach you new chapter. The name of the chapter is Keep on Trying. What is the name of the chapter? Keep on trying. So if you are not success in anything, but you try it, if you will keep on trying, ultimately what will happen to you? You will be success on that thing. Okay? A person fails when she stop trying. When you will stop trying, then only you will be a fail. So if you do not want to fail, never stop trying. If you want to not fail, you have to not stop trying. Never give up, and also never give up. Keep on trying till you success. So you have to try and try till you success. Okay? Many inventions and discoveries suggest that if you concentrate and try it hard, someday he surely success. If you will try and work hard, so one day it will be there, you will be a surely success. Okay? So what is that? If you will don't give up it, you continuously try it, one day will become, you will be success in your life. Many differently able people rose to great high. Just imagine how many obstacles there would be faced. For becoming a big person, so many obstacles will be there. So you have to try it, then only you will be in a last position, you will be in success. How much confidence they would have had in themselves, spirit and weakness. How strong there will be power would have been. Such people deserve nothing less than a salute. These people, those who have tried and they have success, what they need a salute. So it is said to the children that just think, when such differently abled people can rise a great height, why can't you? If people can do their work and they become a great person, why can't you be? You also be a great. If you will try, you will success in your life. One day success will be surely knocked to your door. If you will try, one day it will come. Surely you will be a success in your life. So here is one story of Ravindra Jain. So how Ravindra Jain became a famous person? Ravindra Jain was a blind from a childhood only. He was not having an eye. But then also he became a good singer, and how he became it. Now I will tell you the story of this Ravindra Jain. Ravindra Jain was an Indian music composer and lyric. He was an Indian music composer and lyrics. He was a well-reputed figure. Many people consider him as their role model, as he lightened his life in spirit of being a blind. As becoming a blind, then also Ravindra Jain is lighted his life in spirit. So many people consider him as a role model. Many people consider as a role model. Where Ravindra Jain was born? Ravindra Jain was born on 28 February at Aligarh, 1944. It is where Aligarh, it is in UP, Uttar Pradesh. Understood? His parents were Pandit Indramani Jain and Kiran Jain. Who was his parents? Pandit Indramani Jain and Kiran Jain. Jain started singing at a very young age. This Ravindra Jain started singing at a very young age. He used to recite Jain bhajan and poetry. What else thing he used to do? He used to recite Jain bhajan and also poetry. Life was quite harsh for Ravindra Jain. His blindness caused many problems in the way of his learning music. He was a blind and many struggle he has to face for learning a music. Putting finger on the harmonium at the right place initially become a big task for him because he can't able to see and he is not knowing which finger where to put, but it is a great task for big task for Ravindra Jain. Then also he has success in his life, but he kept on practicing hard. How? Because he kept on practicing hard. He is confident that someday he would be a surmount all the difficulties. So he was confident that one day it will become that I will cross all the difficult and I will be the success in my life. So after trying, Ravindra Jain became a success in his life. Jain entered into a film was in 1916 in Kolkata. In Kolkata, 1916, now Jain entered to the film. 10 years later, in Bombay, Jain got an opportunity to compose a music. So I am saying about the Ravindra Jain. So you all are knowing that Jain entered the film in 1960 in Kolkata, and 10 years later he were in Bombay. Jain got an opportunity to compose a music for the film. With the passage of time, he became a successful composed music for a film like Geet Gata Chal, Chitchaur, Chor Machaye Sor, etc. So many films he composed. In 1917, when Jain was composing a music of a film Saudagar, in the studio he got a bad news of his father death. What did he got? A bad news of his father death. When? In 1917. And that time Ravindra Jain was composing a film music of film Saudagar. Though he becomes sad after receiving the news, he becomes sad. He did not leave the studio. He did not leave the studio until the recording were completed. Until the recording was completed, Ravindra Jain did not leave the studio. Ravindra Jain was one of the most notable music director of Hindi cinema. He was the most notable music director of Hindi cinema. He won the Filmfare Best Music Director Award in 1985. In 1985, Ravindra Jain won a film Best Music Director Award. Though he was blind, he understood the music lesson perhaps better than anybody else. He was blind, but he used to understand a music lesson better than anyone. Unfortunately, this great man died on October 9, 2015. When he died in October 9, 2015, this great man was died. So what you have learned, children, we see that if one will do sure in strong an obstacle or even disability can stop him for achieving success. Yes, you will try, then it is sure that one day you will be the success. So what you have seen in this story, Ravindra Jain, he was a blind from a childhood, Then also he tried so much. He felt so difficulties in his life to learn the music because he used to not see the reed of the harmonium. Then also he tried and he became a good music composer. First he got opportunity in Kolkata in 1960. After that he got opportunity in Bombay and he made a many music for a film. What are the film? That was Geet Gata Chal, Chit Chor, Chor Machaya Shor. In 1970 what happened there? Jan was composing a music and that time music for Saudagar. He got a bad news that his father died, but then also he became upset. Then also he has not leave that studio after completing that composing to what he was composing, then only he went out. So he has done so many struggle to become a great man, great musician, composer of music. So here students, you are seeing that unfortunately in 2015, 9th October, Ravindra Jain died in Bombay. So what you are learning that if you will try in your life, it is sure that one day you will be success. It is sure that one day you will be achieve that your goal in your life. You will be the success. So what value you got in this story? That never give up. What value you got? Never give up. And what is the life skill develop? What you develop in here? That life awareness and critical thinking. Life awareness and critical thinking. Okay, it is clear to you all. So, never give up. Try. One day you will be success. Never think I can't do this thing. You will try, you will be able to do the thing. Because you all are having everything. God has given you everything. And these people, those who are not having eye, hand, then also they are becoming a great man. Why? Because they are not upset of their life. They are trying themselves and they have goal that we will success. I will success in my life. If you will also try and you will have that I will success in my life, one day surely you will success in your life. So students, it is clear to you all. Today this much. Thank you. Have a nice day.